Hello friends, so in this video we are going to make a simple script about IP lookup. Okay, so let's see. So our problem statement is enter an IP address and find the current country that IP is registered in. So what we have to do is we will enter the IP address and then based on the IP address it will give us the country and rest little bit of other informations. Okay. So how it will work? So what we will do, we will first find the IP address we want to search for, and IP address looks like this, and basically IPv4 address I'm talking about here. So there are two kind of IP address: IPv4 version 4 and IPv6 that is version 6. So we will be using here IPv4. Okay. So first we will find the IP address, and then we will go. So how it works, so we'll make a request to a site called https geolocationdb.com. So what this site is do what does do is it just takes the IP address automatically and shows the uh, data according to that IP address. Okay, so we have nothing to do, we just make the request to the site and it will give all the information required to us. Okay, let me show you the website also. So this is the how the website looks. So as you log in into the website, so it will take your IP address automatically and show all this information like your country is India, national Delhi, and the latitude, longitude, and your IP address here. Okay, this website and the documentation is in the documentation itself. This is the JSON object it will be returning after your IP address. So we will extract our information from this JSON object. Okay, so let me return to the presentation. So this one, and then how will make our request. So http geolocation.db.com will open the website I have just shown you, but for getting the JSON object we will write this slash JSON and slash the IP address we want to get the information for. Okay, this way. So first we'll open the URL, then it will decode the URL and then get the information. So this is the internal working, how it will work. Okay, the modules we'll be using are URL library and JSON. So for making the request to a website we use URL lib, URL library, and the second one is JSON. So JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. So we have nothing to do with JavaScript here. So we all be using the JSON file here only. Okay, so this JSON file is quite like a dictionary. Okay, so we'll extract. I've just shown you on the website. So that was a JSON object. So it was looking quite like dictionary and all that. So we'll be seeing that. Okay. So have you ever thought how to make your task automate to look for the IP address automatically? So here is the one thing we are doing here. We will enter the IP address manually, but you can use the automate tool so that can extract your IP address automatically and show the information based upon that. And the second thing, user interface of this project, you can make this user interface of this project using Kinter, using PyQt, and using Kiwi. And there are a lot of user interface uh, modules that are available in Python. Okay, you can use any one of you like. Okay, now let's see how we'll code this. Okay, so first of all we will import JSON module, then we will import URL lib dot request. Okay, request, right? And then we will enter the IP address input, and we say enter the IPv4. Okay, so we'll get the IP address, and then the again we will get the URL. Okay, so we the URL is https and geolocation db.com slash json. Okay, slash json and slash, and then we will add the IP address over here. this. So finally we have add the IP address here. Now we will open the file as url lib dot request dot url open. So it will open the URL for us. Okay, so the URL is here IP, and the object it will be stored in as URL. Okay, so I can use here URL, that will be good. URL. Okay, yes, this way. Then what we are doing, we will load the object into the JSON. We will load this object into the JSON. First we will read it and then the code. So json.loads loads. So what does it do? It loads the file. It's load the JSON object into this, like uh, let's say data. Data is basically a JSON object, and it will be loading from the JSON file. JSON file will be mentioning here is URL dot read. So first it will read the URL object and then it will encode it. Or no, so it will record this. Okay, not encode, record it will. Okay, then let's see, we print the data. We will see how it looks like. It will take some time. Okay, so it's asking for the IP address, and we will enter the IP address here like this, and it got an error here. Okay, so the problem is I have not to add this one, so it's not required here. It will simply open it up. Let's try it again. Control V. So as you will see, the dictionary, the JSON object appears here. Okay, this like, so it's containing all the required information. And let's see what is the type of this. So the type of this is data. Let's see what is the type. So it's called, it's a dictionary type of data, right? So this way I've got this dictionary, and as from the JSON object. So it's basically JSON object here is this, and it loads from the JSON object, and this one this is like a dictionary. And then whatever we want to get from the dictionary we will get. So let's say I have to print the country first. So country, let's capital to C, country, and then equal. I will add data and country, COUNTRY. So you can get the information country here, country name, with the country name. Key is country name. Let's see what is prints. So as you can see, the country it gets India, and we can get other information too, like this. Like if you want to get the state equal data and the state. Any other information like you want to get the postal code there, so you can get the postal code also. Postal equal and the data, and postal is the key. Let's see. Okay, so it got an error. State is not the okay, so I have to mention it in as a string. Okay, like this. Let's see. As you will see, I've got all the required information. Now I can remove this. So you can get as many information as inside it and just print it in your way, right? So I just want all this information and nothing else, so I will comment it out, and let's print it now. So as you can see, the I've entered the IP address and I've got the country India, the state is Delhi, and the postal address is this. Okay, so this way we can do this. I hope this is clear. Okay, so Thank you very much for being with me.